Well, hey, it's Peter here on Doxie, of Peter and Doxie, sailing from New South Wales to Queensland and back to New South Wales. Not yet, but we're on the way. Day 198, 198. That's a special number for me for sailing. My second boat ever, which was the first that was ever registered, was actually sail number P198. So there you go, lives forever in infamy, or whatever. Anyway, we are here in Port Bundaberg Marina, having a rest day. I did sleep until 7 o'clock, I think, so for me that's a sleep in. And yeah, I enjoyed it. I needed it, definitely. I was going to have a sleep this afternoon too, but it's just not going to happen. So, been busy, just doing things that you do in a marina. Just cleaning. I'll show you in a moment. The cockpit looks a mess. The boat looks a mess. Everything looks a mess. Yeah, but cleaned her on the outside, got the hose, and gave her a good going over because we got a lot of salt yesterday, so might as well keep that down. And just keep her looking shiny and good. Yeah, so yesterday I came into Port Bundaberg, as you may have seen if you watched previous videos, and I decided it's probably always best to do it sooner, so I went to the fuel dock first and fueled up. Very surprised to only put about 62 litres in there, considering that I've been motoring solidly for 2 days and partially for one more, and the tank wasn't even full after installing the engine. So I think the advertising about the economy is fairly accurate, because she got a good workout for 11 hours yesterday. So yeah, happy with that. The other bonus of doing it before I came in is they gave me an 11-cent discount on the litres. So if I'd done it on the way out, I wouldn't have realised that. I know. I can go and eat out on that. Actually, I'm going to. Fish and chip shops open late today because it's the weekend. So you know what I'm having. Anyway, I'm also preparing for my brother, who's going to come on board tomorrow, once I sail down to Hervey Bay, where we're booked into the marina as well. Yeah, it's funny, isn't it? Once you start getting used to spending tens of thousands of dollars, 100 here or 100 there for a marina just seems like chump change, and I've got to get that out of my head, because it ain't. That's okay. I'm going to take the luxury when we can going home, so what the hey. It's going to be an intense sailing trip with not much rest and stuff along the way, so might as well take the comforts where you can. So, what have I been doing? Let's have a look. Okay, so I've got my famous duck boards lifted and hosed down, and given the cockpit a good clean out as well. Some parts I've actually scrubbed with scouring cleaner because it had remnants of, you know, boatyard stuff on it, you know, greasy fingers, all that kind of stuff, which is just part and parcel of the deal. What surprised me is I found little bits of gravel on the bottom, which must have been stuck in somebody's shoes that had a sole that picks that stuff up. But that's okay, that's all gone now. So happy about that, and she's looking good again. Well, she never looked bad, but even better. And then we come to the inside. Yeah, not so much. I have got shite everywhere. And that's fine. That's my next task now. I'm basically going to go and tidy all this up. Obviously make room for another passenger to come on and give him, so that's got to be stuck up too there. I know there's some stuff you can buy that you spray on and stick it on, but that'll have to wait until I get home. Yeah, so lots to do. And it is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so I better get on with it. We'll have a walk around the marina later and just show you what it looks like here as well. So onward. Okay, a little bit better. Yeah, there's a whole lot of stuff on the table. It's all charging. Obviously in port, charge everything you've got, and even tout around with other people if they want to charge something. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. I think we're okay for snacks. Other stuff's hidden away. I promise it is. I don't live on that. And yeah, just set up the bed and the forward compartment. So yeah, hopefully it will be comfortable there. Just done, particularly while I'm on the ability to top up the water again afterwards. So I'll just go and get this done now, put the duck boards back, take the trash out, and then I might go and avail myself of some fish and chips. Okay, time to take the trash out, and I'll turn the hose off and bundle that up when I come back. Yeah, it's not very well sealed, but anyway, it is what it is. Okay, so Port Bundaberg Marina, very nicely laid out. It's actually a very pleasant spot. There's a chandlery in there, Baltimore restaurant there, and the Baltimore fish and chip shop behind it. A couple of other things, I'm not sure what. And then over in the side here, there is a name for it, I forget it, and it's not written on it, but it's sort of a breakout area there, which has got microwaves, fridge, and various bits and pieces, and that's where we had our barbecue last night, which was very pleasant. And there's another amenities block there. I call it the little house on the prairie. It's just sticking out there by itself, but that's cool. And in the back is the boatyard where all the work gets done. So yes, I have been there last year with Fast Forward, so I know it. Anyway, I'm going to go and throw out the trash. I might order myself some fish and chips. Should have got a drink. Maybe I'll get one in there. I don't usually do that. Why pay for things that you have already? And looking out over the marina. In the background is the actual Burnout River that flows to and fro with the tides. But yeah, the marina's just off to the side enough where there's no effect of the river to speak of, so it's very still, which is nice. So very pleasant place. Okay, I'm ready. Yeah, my new favorite, Red Emperor. I'm looking forward to this, that's for sure. And this is where I'm having it. It's tough, I know. It's alright, I'll take the hit, guys. Well, just a short one today. Yep, had my dinner, back on the boat, about to go and have a shower and stuff. Might just watch something and then get another early night. Yeah, so I had to sleep this afternoon too, so I'm just trying to catch up and do a lot on the jobs. So yeah, it's been good, but looking forward to getting along a bit more. Hervey Bay tomorrow, Marina, because I'm picking up my brother. And that looks like it's supposed to be at about an 11-hour run. So, and it's a northerly, so I should be sailing. So hopefully I'll still crack on and do better than the 4-knot average. Just had a look at the tidal currents, and for the first few hours of the day, it looks like they're going with me. The winds are relatively light in the morning, but they're getting up a little bit more in the afternoon, which should compensate for the tide coming against me later in the day, although I can imagine that's going to be a bit of chop because of the wind and over tide effect, all that stuff coming out of the Great Sandy Strait. Anyway, looking forward to that, and yeah, I think I'll just end this day now and prepare for tomorrow. So thank you for following along. Bit of a boring one today, sorry, but that's kind of good in a way. Don't want the wrong kind of excitement. So yeah, thanks for all the great comments. I can see interest picking up again now, so yeah, just do some of that sailing shit. I know, I get it, thank you. Anyway, this is Dawn Raider, out.